Hey guys, it's the second day here. Look at this house. It's very beautiful. So today we are going to the Devil's Bridge. So I'm going to show you guys the Devil's Bridge, and then from there we are going to Geelong. Geelong is more like the oldest city with a lot of art crafts and all that. So I can't wait to explore the old town and show you guys around. So again, if you wanna watch the whole of this video, sit back, relax, and press that play button and let's go. But before we go, look at these fruits. So yesterday was my first time I ate this fruit. Let me show you. When I was telling my friends like this is the first time I'm eating this fruit, they were like, what are you talking about? Like, you don't know the beetroots? And to be honest, I've seen the beetroots on the grocery stores and all that, and maybe I've eaten them on my salads, but I've never taken the seeds out of the fruit to eat it. So it's right here. It's eaten by a lot of birds, so you can see. Guys, tell me, am I too behind that I haven't eaten the beetroot? So my friends were shocked that I haven't eaten the beetroot. Yeah. So let me go inside and get ready and take you guys on the adventure. Okay, let's go.
anywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your.
Guys, I just made it, the Devil's Bridge. I think it's on the other side. So let's go up and see how it looks like. So I think I'm going to the top to where like you can see the Devil's Bridge. But this is where a lot of people just come to hang out. And we still have a hike all the way to the top, if you can see. So there's more going up. Okay, let's go. It's been almost like a 2 miles hike from where you park your car. I think the one thing that you should remember, it's very dusty. They have chips that take people for tours and all that. So you have to prepare yourself. If you want to take a chip, you're welcome to do that. So it gets where you're supposed to climb with your hands. look down here where we came from. A lot of guys are flying their drones and all that. So I want to show you this side. See. That's scary. Guys, I'm so scared watching that girl, but I don't know. I don't know if I should do it. I'll do it for you guys.
Lovely.
He's like, go.
Yeah, go. Best picture ever. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
I don't know why people have not figured it out. That this is a very spot for the videos and pictures.
Hey guys, I think I'm doing this. Let's go and walk on this, the Devil's Bridge. So I'm going to take you so you can see a lot of people up there. And this is how it looks like. It's not as bad as it looks like from the other side.
That's where the giant earthworm lived. And then when it died, it
Likely story.
that's probably what it was.
I agree with that. It's a good theory.
That's a nice video. Gosh, don't jump. Like, don't jump.
Come back.
It's like I could jump. It looks narrow at the bottom, but from there to there, I'm like, is he gonna jump all the way and go all the way back to the?
Okay, maybe it's like
Yeah, that's how it looks like on the other side. Just around it. Okay guys.